welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash, and I thought it'd be fun to do a quick little video of me kind of reorganizing my makeup. I tend to go through these phases where I really sit down and organize everything, and then it just all becomes chaos until I have to do it again. It's come to the point where I need to reorganize my drawers, so I'm going to attempt to do that this weekend and take you along on the journey. So if you like makeup organization videos, this one's for you. I don't know how well this is gonna work. It's a brand new day from when I did my intro. I have a killer headache. I'm in a cleaning mood, so I want to organize this. Plus, you know, all the other drawers. I got some new containers. These are from Home Goods. And then I got these. These are actually kitchen storage things, and I'm going to use these for my foundation and like bottled stuff in the bigger drawers. So if you ever need organizers for your Alex drawers, check the kitchen sections at Home Goods, TJ Maxx, whatever. These were only $6.99. These little containers were just a set of 6 for like 12 bucks. So I don't know exactly what I'm going to do because I have all this is like glitters and stuff, and I already have some containers in here, so I'm thinking, I don't know what I'm thinking. I'm going to put my Immortal liners from Unearthly in here, and glitters, why not. These are just ones I reach for the most. I'll put my other eye paints in here. These are cream shadows. I've been holding on to this Milk Makeup eye primer for the longest time. I don't like it, so I'm going to get rid of it. This might be a slight declutter. I don't know if I said that. We'll see how I feel. Alright, so that leaves more room. These are all water activated liners. It's water, that's a gel, water. This is like, what do you call this? A mixer for, you can use it for water activated liners. That's all fine in there. This is like all glitters, so that should go there. Over here, these are loose pigments and single shadows. And I have extra glitters. So I have these single shadows there for now. I really don't use my Super Shocks, and I really should. I need to go through them again and just see what is still good and what's not good. Perfect. Now, I think I have all these Beauty Creations for liners, and if I'm being honest, I've tried them and they're not my favorite, and I don't reach for them. So I'm going to get rid of all of these. This I need to try. This is a cream shadow from ColourPop. I haven't tried this yet. I'm going to add that in this container. I have my Sugar Pill shadows, loose single shadows, love those. One from Alien Cosmetics, these older ones, and a little Kaja one. Those would fit right in there. And I have tape, like some washi tape and stuff. I'm just gonna have that shoved back there. And I have this glitter, which I think I can leave there. I'll put that in there. This drawer doesn't allow for these to stand up because it just hits. Now to figure out how to Tetris these back in. So I'm going to move my glitters over. I think that works. I go with what I use the most. I use my water activated liners the most, and my rhinestones. I don't think that that's going to work. The only thing is I don't have space for these, so I'm going to shift that over. So I kind of want these to just set. I guess I can put my Urban Decay there. Yeah, to be honest, I've had these for a very long time now. These Norvina cake liners. And they're not horrible, but they're just really old and they're not performing as well as they used to. So get rid of those. And put the ColourPop there. Washi tape. That on top. And that like that. And Blend Bunny. Much better. Much, much better. This is the problem drawer. This is all my lashes, and it's just a mess. An absolute mess. I have way too much. Luckily, these Kiss ones, they stack neatly, but the only problem is you can't see what you have. I try to keep it separated, like lashes that I have used, like at least once, and then lashes I haven't used. It doesn't stay that way. And my backup lash glue. I have my lash books, which I've used these lash books. Oh, have I used this one yet? I haven't. I need to. So I have Creature Cosmetics, Likely Makeup, and then the rest are LAJ Beauty. If this one is still available, you should get this one. This is the holiday collection from last year. I love these so much. I used the sleigh bells here. It's red and black. Beautiful combination. Wear those year round. Always gotta make sure the drawer will close. Alright, so that's better. Then I can just throw these in here. And then just throw these on top. So much better. Obviously not getting rid of any of my lashes. Alright, now this drawer is a problem because it's picking up this drawer because I don't know what's getting put on it. Absolute mess. So here's one of those trays that I had before. And then I have all of these blushes. And I'm going to be honest, this is only blush in this drawer and I don't reach for these nearly as much as I want to. So I'm going to take out all my palettes. Typically I like my palettes, so I'm going to probably hold on to all of these. And I might finally get rid of some singles. These Cover FX ones, I kept them from my Declutter last year and I haven't touched them since. So I need to get rid of those, and those were pre-pandemic. So these are all fairly new, so I'm going to hold on to these. I'm going to get rid of my Rare Beauty blushes because these are over 3 years old. I'm going to keep these from e.l.f. Haven't gave them much of a try. And I have all my Jaclyn ones. Shift this down so I have an excuse to use these more. I'm gonna get rid of my Milani ones because those are quite old now. Felice, Ciate. I'm gonna keep my flower ones. Have more sticks, but I want to put my e.l.f. wands here. Urban Decay Hydromaniac. Fit. Yes, that will fit. So moving on to this tray, I have a couple more creams. I'm going to keep the creams because I really do like those. I know I'm going to keep this one because I just bought that one this year. Same with the NYX. I am going to get rid of this cream one from Dominique Cosmetics. I'm going to keep this Lottie London. Burt's Bees, I think I had it when I still lived in Indiana. That was over 6 years ago. I'm going to keep Natasha. This pharmacy one's pretty. I am going to pass on this minted one. Ooh, this is one of my favorites from ColourPop. I need to remember to pull that out. All my ColourPop ones are fantastic. I have the Lizzie McGuire ones. Still good. Same with the Powerpuff, even though that one is broken. We have e.l.f. and Flower. I'm going to get rid of these two. So I'm going to keep my Jaclyn loose one. That's much better. I'm going to slide that over and fit these right in here. Beautiful. Love when it all works out for me. Except now I have this little space, but that's okay. More blush can go there, right? I'm gonna set down. I don't use these as often as I should. Those are gonna go in the back. Luna Beauty's kind of a staple. I like that Ciate one. Fairy blush ones. Great. This Toy Factory one I got in BoxyCharm. It's cute. I can put that one there. This Tarte one. Beautiful. Love it. And then this Unearthly one. So gorgeous. Doesn't that look so much better? I feel so much better. Now for this section, this is gonna be where I use these drawers, I think, but I need to pull everything out first. Oh, this is a mess. Okay, I can see how this may have gotten caught. I have way too many highlighters. I'm going to start with the foundation, and I just put the drawer in like this, and I'm going to get rid of a few of these because they are getting kind of old. So I'm going to get rid of my e.l.f. camo creams because they are pretty old and I didn't quite like them for my complexion. I'm going to keep the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue and the Tula one because I just recently tried that one and I really liked it. I'm going to get rid of the Undone one because I did not like how they looked. I'm going to put these ones, I'm going to put these here. Ooh, I love this from Urban Decay, the Stay Hydromaniac Tinted Glow Hydrator. Love it. Super old. Pure Release SPF BB cream. Gonna keep that. And then I have the Easy Skin Tint from Fenty. I'll keep that there. I have my Catrice. Gonna keep that. Actually, I'm going to put that back there. So I have my KVD, my Catrice. I'm gonna put my House Labs here. My Makeup by Mario. Does that fit? Yes. And back there I can put my Almost Say What, great foundation, great shade range. And I'll throw my Tarte stick foundation back there. So I'll move on to the next one. This is obviously not the same brand, same idea though. Primers here. I have this one, I'm just gonna set that right there. This is my other foundation. I'm going to, right there, that works. I have tried to like this. This is the e.l.f. Halo Liquid Glow. It darkens my face too much. I don't really get the hype with it. I can't make it work for me. You can see just how much darker that is compared to my skin. Even if I wear this under my foundation or whatever, it still peeks through the darkness. So I'm gonna get rid of this. If they came out with a lighter shade, I would be all over for it. But it's the shade, I can't get behind it. I think back in this section, I'm going to put a couple concealers. I have a e.l.f. one, the Rem Beauty ones. I'm still trying those out with this little spoons. Don't know how I feel about that. I have this primer from e.l.f. Didn't like it, so I'm going to get rid of that. And then I think in this section, I'm going to put some of my contour stuff. So I have the NYX contour stick, going to keep that along with the e.l.f. Halo Glow. This Oma Beauty stick, the contour side, awesome. Highlight side, not bad, but too dark for me, so I only use that for the contour. And my Anastasia Fawn, this is also a really great contour. e.l.f. cream, LJ cream, and then Anastasia cream. I think that's all my creams. Shocker. We'll see how well this works too. I have this from Kiko Milano. Like, it's just so dark. I don't understand brands and making something that's supposed to be the lightest shade and make it so not light. So I have these palettes from e.l.f. One's a cream, one's a powder. I'm going to hold on to both of those. The Wet n Wild and Lilo and Stitch collab. I actually really like that one. I'm going to hold on to that. I am going to say goodbye to my Anastasia contour kit. I've had this forever. It's really old. LEJ Sculpt is still good. Creature Cosmetics, love the packaging, love this so much. The Ofra palette I got in boxy form, I'm gonna hold on to that. And I have my KVD. It says Kat Von D. It's old packaging, but I got that on like major discount not too long ago. Gonna hold on to that. Then I have just a mini version of that. Gonna keep that. I have this sculpting cream from Ace Beauty. I'll hold on to that also. Cover FX bronzer, gonna get rid of that. And I think what I'm gonna do, it's gonna work. I have eyeshadows in the last two drawers. I can combine those, and then I'm going to put highlights in a separate drawer, but I'll keep my bronzers here. So I'll put the ones like, I don't hate this one. This one's from Kiko Milano. It's a big one. I'm gonna put that back there with the Jaclyn Cosmetics one. I really like this little face palette from Anastasia. It's cute. And I have my Kimchi, Oma, and Ciate. And is that everything? I feel like that's everything. So, foundation, primer, concealer, creams, powders, more powders. Alright, this drawer of palettes is kind of a mess. So I'm gonna pull all of these out real quick. Oh, I found another bronzer. My bad. I think I'm going to pull these palettes, build my highlights in, and then work the palettes around. Okay, so I have this, and then these smaller ones to fill highlighters. Or I could use one of these for my mini palettes. Maybe I'll do that. I obviously have a lot of highlighters and blush, as you could clearly see. And I honestly need to just be a little cutthroat with this. I know I'm going to keep my palettes. So the Michaela and Glamlight one, Nox Glissant, Trace Loose, Odin's Eye, LEJ. I'm going to keep all those. So I'm going to build in this one, I think, starting with ones that I grabbed the most. So I'm going to put my Unearthly up front and center. And then my Odin's Eye. I'm going to tuck Lux Speed there. And then I'm going to put my LEJ right behind Odin's Eye. Tasha Denona, Oma. I forgot my Game Beauty ones. I reach for those quite a lot. Half Magic. And I'm going to put these Javelin ones in the back. Alright, so kind of what I reach for the most to what I reach for the least. Now the rest of these, I think I might get rid of a couple. I know I'm still going to hold on to my Anastasia loose one. It's one of my favorites. I hold on to the Elf Creams, my LEJ Beauty, Ciate, ColourPop. Is this one still good? That is the question. This one is Lunch Money. Ooh yeah. Ooh. I need to use that more often. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Yes, you need to use. Like a Scarlet one, I'm going to shove back here. This Fenty one is pretty old. I have used it quite a lot. I'm going to get rid of it just because it is so old. And I'm going to get rid of this NYX High Glass. I wanted to really like this, but it just wasn't doing it for me. Plus the plastic is cracked, so it's like drying out quicker. I recently tried this one in a video, and I just, like, it's pretty. Don't like it. This is the Ritual Defy, The Alchemist. And now I'm going to keep this ColourPop one. It's the Lab Dreams one. Beautiful. I am actually going to get rid of this Rum Beauty one. I just did not care for it. I don't know. I haven't been impressed with the Rum Beauty stuff that I've tried. Anastasia Ice. This is a beautiful gold. I like wearing that in like the winter. I've been holding on to this SpongeBob one just because I love SpongeBob, but it just does not work, and it's not that great of a highlighter. I have Becca. Oh, this one was so good. I miss Becca. Just gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm still going to hold on to that. I'll use it every once in a while. I am going to hold on to the Rudolph one because this is one of my favorite ColourPop collections that they did, because I love Rudolph so much. I have this cream from Medusa, so I'll shove that in there. This one I'll hold on to. It's a little palette. And I'm going to get rid of this little Ulta Beauty one. So the only thing I don't have room for is these. So I'm going to just stack these in the back. And then the last thing I have are my little palettes, which I'm just going to stack right there. And then I can do a couple eyeshadow palettes on here. I'm not getting rid of any of my eyeshadow palettes right now because I am going through and still doing my like palette roulette thing. So at the current time, I am not looking at getting rid of really any palettes. I'm not going to worry about organizing this bottom drawer because I will be just, you know, going through my palettes eventually again before the end of the year, and I'm still working on that challenge thing that I'm doing. I'm surprised that these drawers have not broken yet. So yeah, this is just a quickish video of me reorganizing my makeup, and it just looks so much better. What is getting caught on this one? It's probably these. At least these top 4 drawers look a lot better. This one could use a little bit more work, but it is what it is. So I'm not going to show my face because I haven't worn makeup in like 3 whole days. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and you can follow me on my other socials. I'm artistryxashh everywhere. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.